When manufacturers talk about compact gaming laptops, it usually means one of two things. Either the laptop is truly compact but starts struggling under heavy loads, or the performance is great but you don't actually want to carry it with you every day. And the HP OMEN 14 is one of the few laptops that tries to sit right in the middle. It comes with Intel Core Ultra 7 2nd generation RTX 5060, 32GB of RAM and 3K OLED display. On paper, it looks like just another gaming laptop, but after using it for a week, I realized one thing. People don't actually buy this laptop because of the RTX 5060, and today I'll explain why. The first thing that surprises you about the OMEN 14 is how little it looks like a gaming laptop. There is no aggressive gamer design, no giant air vents, and no feeling that you are carrying around a portable desktop PC. Instead, it looks much closer to a premium ultrabook. That actually defines the entire experience. After a few days, you notice something interesting. You stop thinking of it as a gaming laptop, and in the morning you're working on documents, during the day you're editing videos or sitting with dozens of browser tabs open, and then at night you launch Cyberpunk and remember, oh right, there is an RTX 5060 inside this thing. And one thing I really want to mention is port selection. Today, many thin laptops basically force you to carry adapters everywhere, but here's the situation is much better. You get USB Type-A for regular accessories, modern USB Type-C, a full-size HDMI port, and a combo audio jack. And the best part, you can charge the laptop through USB-C. For travel, this is extremely convenient. For gaming, a heavy workload, you still want the original charger, but for work, browsing, and everyday tasks, USB-C is more than enough. And honestly, after a few days, you start to realize that the biggest upgrade here is not the RTX 5060, and it's not even the new processor. The real star of the show is OLED display. Every time you open the laptop, the contrast looks amazing. Black is actually black, and the colors are rich and vibrant. And you will notice it especially when you're editing photos, working with video, or watching movies. After using a display like this, regular IPS panels start to feel a little boring. When people see the Core Ultra 7 255H, the first question is usually, why not HX processor? The answer becomes clear after a few days. Because this laptop was built around balance. The Ultra 7 255H is not trying to break benchmark records. Its job is to provide enough performance without turning the laptop into a portable heater. That is why the combination of Ultra 7 255H and RTX 5060 makes so much sense. The processor doesn't become a bottleneck in games, but it helps keep temperatures and battery life under control. The cooling system is a similar story. There are no miracles here. This is still a compact 14-inch laptop with a dedicated GPU. Under serious load, you will hear the fans, especially during gaming. The OMEN 14 wasn't designed to deliver maximum FPS at any cost. If your goal is the higher performance per dollar, there are faster options. But the problem is most of them will also be heavier, thicker, and less convenient for everyday use. Another thing I didn't expect to appreciate this much, the keyboard. There are laptops that are great for gaming but not very enjoyable to work on. And this one is complete opposite. Typing feels great, the trackpad is good, the body is compact, and it's a laptop you actually want to take with you. Battery life is actually an interesting topic. If you read owners' reviews, you'll notice that opinions are all over the place. Some people get almost a full workday without a charger, while others complain about average results. In real life, It depends heavily on your settings. If you constantly use the dedicated GPU, battery life will drop much faster, but if you configure power profiles and graphics switching properly, the laptop can deliver completely different results. So I wouldn't call the battery life bad or amazing. It depends heavily how you use the machine. And my final thoughts. After a week of using it, I came to a pretty unexpected conclusion. The HP OMEN 14 is a laptop that's very easy to misunderstand. Yes, there are compromises. Yes, there are faster laptops, but when you combine an OLED screen, compact size, RTX 5060 graphics card, a great processor, and everyday comfort, the number of real competitors for the OMEN 14 becomes much smaller than you would expect. And that's exactly why this laptop turned out to be much more interesting than it looks just by reading the specs. And now let's take the cover off to take a quick look what we actually can repair or upgrade, so stay tuned. Let's go. As always, I'm going to start from the bottom side of this laptop and remove all necessary screws. There are no hidden surprises here. Everything is pretty straightforward. I would definitely recommend using a plastic pry tool. Since the bottom case is made of metal, using a metal tool can easily leave scratches or damage the finish. Once we remove the bottom cover, we can finally see the full picture of what's happening inside. And honestly, it's a little bit disappointing because this laptop is not very upgrade friendly. We have a removable battery, which is nice, and there are only few screws holding it in place. We also have a single replaceable SSD stick, but unfortunately, GPU, CPU, and RAM are all integrated directly onto the motherboard. Even the external ports are built into the main board. So if something fails, especially the motherboard, the repair can become pretty expensive. For that reason, I decided not to remove cooling heatsink from the system since everything is integrated. There isn't much interesting to see underneath, but if you ever need to replace the heatsink or service the cooling system, always remember to properly reapply thermal paste and replace the thermal pads. And that's it for internal look of this laptop. As always, love and peace.